All right, so in this question, it's asking a rational function is given, and for what value of x, the function h above is undefined. Now, in a rational function, we will get an undefined value of the function at vertical asymptote and at whole. Let's take a function fx, which is given by x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. And if I factorize the numerator, you will get the factors of x plus 3 times x plus 2. In the similar way, if we factor the denominator, we will get x plus 3 times x plus 1. And we can cancel out the x plus 3 and x plus 3 from numerator and denominator. So you will be left with x plus 2 over x plus 1. Now, to figure out the vertical asymptote, we will equate the denominator to 0. We will equate the denominator to 0. Now, the denominator is x plus 1. So if we equate x plus 1 equals to 0, we will get x equals negative 1. So at x equals negative 1, the function is undefined. Fx is undefined. And how to find out the wholes? Wholes are the factors which gets cancelled out from the numerator and denominator. So the factor which is getting cancelled out from numerator and denominator is x plus 3. So to find out the whole, you will equate x plus 3 equals to 0, which means x equals negative 3. So fx is also undefined at wholes. So two things. To get an undefined value of the function, we will exclude the vertical asymptote and the wholes, right? Now get back to the question. If we get back to the question, let's take the function h of x. Now in this function, that's a special function because it's kind of a complex function if you see. Well, it looks like complex, but it's not. X minus 5 whole square, 4 times x minus 5 plus 4. So let's make it easy. Let us assume a new variable that z that's equals x minus 5. In that case, if we substitute z as x minus 5 or x minus 5 as z, we will get 1 over now x minus 5 squared, that makes it z squared, plus 4 times x minus 5. So x minus 5 value is z. So you'll get 4 times z plus 4. Now you are getting a quadratic function there. Let's factorize it. So if you factorize it, so two numbers that multiplies to 4 and adds up to 4. Right. There, 2 and 2. So you'll get 1 over z plus 2 times z plus 2, which is nothing but z plus 2 whole square. Z plus 2 whole square. Now I'm going to plug in this z value as x minus 5 now. So you'll get 1 divided by, now z is x minus 5 plus 2 whole square. So finally, you'll get the function h of x as 1 over x minus 3 whole square. Now, if we talk about the rational function, we just have seen to find out the undefined value of the function, we should exclude the vertical asymptote and wholes. Now, to find out the vertical asymptote, you would equate the denominator x minus 3 equals, x minus 3 whole square equals to 0, which means if you solve it, if you take the square root of it, both sides, you'll get x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals 3. So the function becomes undefined at x equals 3. And also there is no wholes because none of the factors are cancelling out from numerator and denominator. So the function becomes undefined at x equals 3. And that's it.